Want to personalize your Galaxy Watch 6 even more? Try changing the index style on your analog watch face. This small detail can completely change the vibe of your watch, from minimal and modern to bold and classic. Here's how to do it using the Galaxy Wearable app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap Watch Faces. Here you will see your current watch face, and below it tap Customize. Tap Indexes to see different style for the watch indexes, like dashes, dot, Roman numeral, or even geometric shape. As a note, not every analog watch include this option, and the available index style might differ depending on the face you choose. So if you don't see indexes, try switching to a different analog face. Now pick the one that matches your style. Once you are happy with your choice, tap Save to update your watch face. And that's it. As you can see, your watch 6 will instantly reflect your new index style. Changing the index style is a quick and fun way to give your Galaxy Watch 6 a fresh new look. Just one more way to make it feel uniquely yours. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.